So now let's do question number 21 of exercise 17. A wall can be built by 6 men working 8 hours per day in 5 days. A wall can be built by 6 men working 8 hours per day in 5 days. How many days will it take 4 men to build the wall if they work only 5 hours per day? So first let's write the information in the question. Question 21. 6 men, 8 hours, 5 days. So at the end you have to find the number of days. So I'm writing it right at the end. So first let's say you have 1 man and working 1 hour. So how many days is going to take? So for 1 man, so 6 men, let's say if it takes 5 days, so 1 man is going to take more. So 5 into 6. Okay. So 8 hours, if it takes 5 days for 6 men, so 8 hours, 5 days. So if you do 1 hour, for 1 hour is going to take more time. So into 8, this many days. Now 4 men in 5 hours is going to take less time. For 4 men, so you're going to divide by 4 and for time is increased. 5 hours. So again, so if it becomes 5 hours, so you're going to divide by 5 because the number of days is going to decrease. So this many days is going to be 12 days. Okay, here also is a case where actually there are 3 quantities, they are interconnected. So you can do it more gradually. Let's say 1 man and you keep just 8 hours, but I'm doing it the 2 steps. I'm combining the 2 steps into 1. So 6 men 8 hours 5 days, 1 man 1 hour. So 6 men to 1 man. So you're going to multiply by 6. The number of days is going to increase. 8 hour to 1 hour. So time here per day decreases. So number of days actually increases. So 4 men and 5 days. This quantity divided by 4 and that is divided by 4 into 5. So this becomes 12 days. So now let's move on to exercise 18. Exercise 17 is finished. So this is actually dealing with foreign exchange. So this very similar, this is just unitary method. So you're just going to do one problem, that is question number 7 from the book. An Australian man on holiday in Germany finds that his wallet contains 700 Australian dollars. An Australian man on holiday in Germany finds that his wallet contains 700 Australian dollars. If he changes the money at a bank, how many euros will he receive? So basically 700 Australian dollars, you have to convert it to euros. So what information? The exchange rate has to be given. So the exchange rate is something like this. Given that that's actually in the opposite page in the book. $1 is equal to 1.13 Australian dollars. That's the American dollar. And 1 American dollar is equal to 0.7 euros. So here, so basically, so 1.13 Australian dollars is equivalent to 1 American dollar. Now, so you actually have 7 Australian dollars. So actually 1.13 Australian dollars is equal to $1. So 1 Australian dollar is going to be 1 by 1.13 dollar. So 700 Australian dollar is going to be this into 700. Okay, so this is equal to 619.47 dollars. We know what? $1 is equal to 0.7 euros. So this many dollars is equal to how many euros? 0.7 into 619.47 euros. This is actually equals to 434 euros.